Hello friends, welcome to my channel Civil Engineering MCQ. In this video we will discuss about most important multiple choice question and with detailed explanation in estimating costing engineering subject. This video helpful for PWD, WRD, RRB, JEE, MIDC, ZP exams and it is also helpful for various competitive exams. So let's start. Water cement ratio is generally expressed in volume of water required per dash of cement. Right answer option B 50 kg. The answer to this first question is B. The question is asked to PWD exam 2018. Water cement ratio expressed in volume of water required per 50 kg of cement. So correct answer is B. Question number 2. Sinking fund method is used for. This question is asked to exam Chandrapur MNC 2017. So correct answer is option B. Calculating depreciation cost of property. Second question answer is B. Sinking fund method. It is a technique for depreciating an asset while generating enough money to replace it at end of its useful life. Question number 3. The plinth area estimate does not includes. This question is asked to exam Chandrapur MNC 2017. Correct answer option D courtyard area. Third question answer is D. Plinth area estimate. This estimate is considered as approximate as estimate. Second one, it is used to compute the plinth area or building that is multiplied with plinth area rate. Obtain an estimate for a building. Third one, it includes veranda area, staircase area, area of wall, at the floor level area, internal shaft for solitary installation up to 2 square meter in area, area of lift and wall including building. Question number 4. Which area of building is not included in plinth area? This question is asked to exam Chandrapur MNC 2017. So correct answer is B. Cantilevered porch area. Fourth question answer is B. Refer explanation question number 3. Detail information in the third question. That question completely you see it. Question number 5th. Dash is the most reliable estimate. This question is asked to exam Chandrapur MNC 2017. Correct answer option C. Detailed estimate. The answer to the 5th question is C. Types of estimate. The first one approximate estimate. There are 4 types. First one plinth area, second one cubic content estimate, and the third one service unit estimate, and the fourth one Bay method. Second one detailed estimate, also known as most reliable estimate. There are 3 types. First one revised estimate, second one supplementary estimate, and the third one repair maintenance estimate. Question number 6. Periodical payment for repayment of capital amount invested in a property for a specific period is called as. This question is asked to exam WRD 2016. The correct answer option B. Annuity. The answer to the 6th question is B. Annuity. An annuity in a series of payments made at equal intervals. Example of annuities are regular deposit to a saving account, monthly home and mortgage payments. Second one, revaluation. It is the process of altering the relative value of estimate. And third one, depreciation. It is the method in which reduction of value due to wear and tear. So correct answer is B. Question number 7. At the time of tender submission, the contractor pays some amount to the agency inviting tender towards his willingness for the work is known as. This is also question asked to WRD 2016. So correct answer is option A. Security deposit. 7th question answer is A. Security deposit. Once it is decided that a tender is awarded to a bidder, he has to deposit a security deposit. It is amount of 5 to 10% of total tender amount, earnest money, to ensure that a bidder does not submit bid or back out at a time of tender opening. It is 2.3% amount of the total tender amount. So correct answer A. Question number 8. The amount paid by the contractor to the organization before getting the work order as a guarantee of execution of a work as per the contract is known as. This is also question asked to WRD 2016. The correct answer option A. Security deposit. Question answer is A. Refer explanation question number 7. Detail information in the 7th question. That question completely so you see it. Question number 9. The book value of machine at the end of 8 years is 3,20,000 if estimated life of machine is 10 years and salvage value at the end of 10 years is 1,50,000. The purchase cost of machine using general straight line method of evaluation of depreciation is. This is also question asked to WRD 2016. The correct answer option A, 10 lakh. The answer to the question is A. Book value 3,20,000 at 8 years. If estimated life in 10 years, salvage value at 10 years equal to 1,50,000. Purchased cost of machine by a straight line method. Book value at 8 years 3,20,000. Salvage formula 3,20,000 minus 1,50,000 divided by 2 equal to, the answer has come 85,000. Cost deducted per year 10 into 85,000 equal to 8,50,000. Purchased cost equal to 8,50,000 plus 1,50,000 equal to purchased cost 10 lakh. So correct answer is A. Question number 10. Periodical deposit for the replacement of the property at the end of its useful life is. This is also question is WRD 2016. The correct answer A. Sinking fund. And question answer is A. Refer explanation question number 2. Detail information in this second question. That question completely you see it. Question number 11. The work order for starting of work to the contractor after accepting of tender is issued only after payment of. This is also question is WRD 2016. So correct answer is option C, security deposit. 11 question answer is C. Refer explanation question number 7. Detail information in this 7th question. That question completely you see it. Question number 12. Number of cement bags required to produce 20 cubic meter of compacted concrete with a concrete mix having a cement factor 5 is. This question also asked in WRD 2016. So correct answer is option C, 100 bags. Question number 12 answer is C. Number of cement bags required 5 into 20 is equal to 100 bags. Question number 13. Loss in the value of property due to its use, wear and tear, obsolescence, etc. is called as. The right answer option D, depreciations. The answer to the 13th question is D. Depreciation is the method in which deduction of value due to wear and tear. Question number 14. If book value of the equipment at the end of 4th year is 6,60,000 rupees and end of 6th year is 4,90,000 rupees, if estimated life of equipment is 10 years, the salvage value of the equipment at the end of 10 years using general straight line method of evaluation of depreciation. So correct answer is option A, 1,50,000. The answer to this 14th question is A. Book value at 4th year 6,60,000, 6th year 4,90,000, loss in 2 years 1,70,000, 6,60,000 minus 4,90,000. The answer has come 1,70,000. Loss of value per year 85,000. Loss of value in 10 years, so multiply by 10. So answer has come 8,50,000. Purchase value is 10 lakh. So purchase value minus loss of value in 10 years. So answer has come salvage value 1,50,000. So correct answer is A. Question number 15. Cross sectional area at one end of earthwork is 7 square meter and other end of it is 9 square meter. If distance between two end section is 6 meter, area of mid section is 8.5 square meter, then volume of earthwork using Prismodal formula will be. Correct answer option D, 50 cubic meter. The answer to the 15th question is D. Prismodal formula H/3 first area plus last area plus 4 over areas. So in this formula the value is keep it 3 by 5th 7 plus 9 plus 4 into 8.5 equal to 16 plus 34. So hence the correct answer is option D, 50 meter cube. Question number 16. Proper form number for indent for demanding material is. This question is asked to PWD 2016. So correct answer is option B 24. 16 question answer is B. Proper form number 24 for intent for demanding material. Question number 17. In the virtual work method, the virtual quantity is. So correct answer is option A displacement. The answer to this 17 question is A. Virtual work method. It is the total work done by the applied force, the internal forces of a mechanical system as it moves through set of virtual displacement. Question number 18. Task work for BB masonry is meter cube per day. Correct answer B 1 to 1.25. 18th answer is B. Task work. Brickwork is 1.25 meter cube, UCR 1 meter cube, PCC 5 meter cube, RCC 3 meter cube, plaster 8 meter cube, pointing 10 meter square, painting 25 meter square, distemper 35 meter cube, and flooring 7.5 meter square. So correct answer is B. Question number 19. Sensitivity analysis is study of. The correct answer C. Change in output due to change in input. 19th answer C. Sensitivity analysis. It is the study of how the uncertainty in the output of mathematical model or system can be divided, allocated to different sources of uncertainty in its inputs. So correct answer is C. Question number 20. Flooring measurements are taken on basis of. The correct answer option A unit area. The answer to this question 20 is A. Mode of measurement. The first 1 meter cube excavation, PCC, UCR, CR, RCC brickwork, woodwork, door frame. It's all meter cube. Second 1 meter square partition wall, APC, flooring dado, pour panel, grouting, half brick wall. Formwork, AC sheet, GI sheeting, corbel. It's all meter square. Running meter, cornice, railing, vine fencing, water pipeline and coping. It's all running meter. So correct answer is A. Question number 21. In a line organization, this question is asked to PWD 2016. So the correct answer 21 question is B. Quick decision are taken. 21 answer is B. Line organization, simple unity of command, better discipline, fixed responsibility, feasibility, quick decision making, strong discipline. These are all advantage of line organization. Question number 22. In long and short wall method of estimation, the length of long wall is center to center distance between the walls and. The correct answer option B. Half breadth of wall on each side. Answer is B. Long and short wall method or PWD method. Following formulas are used. Long wall center to center distance between plus half breadth of wall on each side, and short wall center to center distance between wall minus half breadth of wall on each side. Long wall and short wall method saves a huge sum of money on big project. That is accurate result are obtained with compared to a center line method. This method is simple and accurate, is also termed as long wall and short wall method are general method. Question number 23. The main factor to be considered while preparing a detailed estimate is. Your correct answer option D. All the above. Quantity of materials, location of site, local labor charges and transportation of material. These are all main factors to be considered while preparing a detailed estimate. The answer to this question 23 is D. Factors for detailed estimate: quantity of materials, location of site, local labor charges, transportation of material. These are all main factors of detailed estimate. So hence answer is D. Question number 24. The dam proof course DPC is measured in. The correct answer B. Square meter. Question number 25. The slum recommended for a mass concrete is about. The correct answer A. 25 mm to 50 mm. Question number 26. The process of calculating the resource requirement of a project is known as. The correct answer option C. Resource aggregation. The correct answer C. Resource aggregation. It is combination of two or more separate capacity resource at a different sites or potentially location into a single resource. Second one, B, scheduling. It is the process of arranging, controlling, optimizing workloads in a production process or manufacturing process. It is used to allocate plan machinery resources, plan human resources, plan production processes and purchase material. Question number 27. Sinking fund is the correct answer D. At a part of money kept in reserve for providing additional structure and structural modification. 27 is the correct answer is D. Sinking fund method. It is a technique for depreciating an asset while generating enough money to replace it and of its useful life. Question number 28. The process of evaluating cost of construction of a project is called. The correct answer is option A, estimate. This question is asked to Nagpur ZP 2015. 28 answer is A, estimate. It is the value of its usable for some purpose even if input data may be incomplete, uncertain or unstable. B is the actual cost. It is the actual expenditures made to acquire an asset, which includes the supplier invoiced expenses plus cost to deliver, setup and test the asset. Question number 29. The useful part of liable area of a building is also known as. The correct answer option A, carpet area. 29 answer is A, carpet area. It is a net usable area of the apartment. It includes the thickness of internal wall but excludes balcony or terrace. Question number 30. The unit of payment for fixing of glass panels or cleaning is in. The correct answer option B, numbers. The answer to this 30 question is B. Fixing of glass panels or cleaning is in numbers. Question number 31. In a detailed estimate, the provision contingency is usually. The correct answer option B, 3 to 5%. This question is asked to Parbhani MNC 2015 exam. 31st answer is B. Provision of contingency is 3 to 5%. Question number 32. What does DC stand for in building DC rules? This question is asked to PWD Mumbai 2015. So correct answer option D, development control. The answer to this 32 question is D, building DC, development control rules, set of rules that are designed to ensure the proper and efficient development of a city as well as the general welfare of the public are commonly known as development control regulation. So correct answer option D. Question number 33. Dash tender indicate percentage rate tender. This question is asked to PWD Nashik 2015. So correct answer option A, B1. 3. Correct answer A. B1 system equal to percentage rate contract and B2 system equal to item rate contract. Question number 34. BOT indicates. The right answer option B, build to operate transfer. 34. Correct answer B, BOT equal to build to operate transfer. Question number 35. The center line method is specially adopted for estimating. Your right answer option D, all the above. Question number 35. Answer is D, center line method. In this method of estimation, the total center line length of wall in a building is first calculated. The center line length is multiplied with the breadth depth respective item to get quantity at a time. It adopted for a estimation of circular building, hexagonal building and octagonal building. So answer is D. Question number 36. The service area in a building means the area occupied by. This question asked in exam Pune MNC 2014. The correct answer option A, stairs. 36. Answer is A, service area. It is useful area for locating all the non-occupable space on a floor such as primary calculation, hallways, corridors, lobbies and stairs. So correct answer A. Question number 37. Kilogram means how many pounds? The correct answer B, 2.2046. 7. The correct answer B, 1 kg equal to 2.205 pounds. Question number 38. The area is measured correct to the nearest. So correct answer is option A, 0.01 square meter. 38. Correct answer A. Accuracy of measurement: area 0.01 meter square, B. Volume 0.01 meter cube, third one length 0.01 meter square, and the last one woodwork 0.001 meter cube. So correct answer A. Question number 39. In horizontal DPC thickness of cement concrete 1:2:4 is correct answer D, 4 cm. 39 answer is D. DPC thickness 1:2:4, 4 cm to 15 cm. Question number 40. 1 mil is option D is the correct answer, 5280 feet. This question is asked to exam bid ZP 2013. 40 correct answer D. 1 mil equal to 1.609 km and 5280 feet. So correct answer D. Question number 41. The original cost of an equipment is 10,000 if salvage value at the end of its total useful life of 5 years 1,000 rupees. Its book value at the end of 2 years of its useful life as per straight line method of evaluation of depreciation will be. This question asked to PWD 2019. So correct answer option C, 6,400. Question number 42. The original cost of an equipment is 12,000. Salvage value at the end of its total useful life of 5 years is 1,500 rupees. Its book values at the end of 2 years of its useful life as per straight line method of evaluation of depreciation will be. The correct answer is 7,800. Question number 43. The original cost of an equipment is 15,000 if salvage value at the end of its total useful life of 10 years is 2,000 if book value at the end of 3 years of its useful life as per straight line method of evaluation of depreciation will be. The correct answer B, 11,100. 43 question is B. Depreciation, original cost minus salvage value upon life in years. In this formula, all value keep it 15,000 minus 2,000 divided by 10. So answer has come 1,300 rupees. Depreciation for 3 years, 3 multiply 1,300 equal to 3,900. Book value after 3 years, 15,000 minus 3,900. So answer has come 11,100 rupees. So correct answer is B. Question number 44. On acceptance of tenders, the contractor is required to deposit some amount with the department known as. This question is asked to exam Aurangabad MSc 2019. So correct answer C, security deposit. Answer to this question is C, security deposit. Once it is decided that a tender is awarded to a bidder, he has to deposit a security deposit. It is the amount of 5 to 10% of total tender amount. Second one, earnest money. To ensure that a bidder does not submit bid or back out at time of tender opening, it is 2 to 3% amount of total tender amount. Means 2.3% you have to assume. So correct answer is C. Question number 45. In detailed estimate, the provision of contingency is usually. The right answer is option A, 3 to 5% contingencies are usually. Number 45. Answer is A. Contingencies, they are incidental expenses about 3 to 5% of contingencies. Correct answer A. Question number 46. Caption is rated to team in the same way as directors rated to. Correct answer option C, organization. Question number 46. Answer is C. If captain is leader of team, then director will be leader of organization. So correct answer C. Question number 47. To make out an estimate for a work, the following data are necessary: drawing, specification and dash. The correct answer B, rates. Answer is B. The rates per unit of various item of work, the rates of various material to be used in the construction, and the wages of different category of labor, skilled or unskilled, as mason, carpenter, mazdoor, bhishti, etc. available for preparing estimate. Question number 48. Dash is the built-up covered area of a building measured at floor level of any story. The right answer option D, plinth area. Number 48 answer is D. Plinth area is calculated by taking the external dimension of the building at the floor level excluding plinth offset of any courtyard, open areas, balconies and cantilever projection are not included in plinth area. So right answer D. Question number 49. Approximate cost of sewerage project for a population of 1 lakh. Head works 10 rupees out of 10 lakh. Correct answer option B, false. Question number 49. Answer is B. Approximate cost of sewerage project for a population of 1 lakh. 100 rupees head work out of 100 lakhs. Question number 50. Dash area of building is the area of verandas, passage, corridors, balconies, porches, etc. The correct answer B, horizontal circulation area. The answer is B. It is required for the horizontal movement of the users of building. This may be 10% to 15% of plinth area of the building. Question number 51. A bullock cart can carry about dash load. Correct answer B, 1 ton. Number 51. Answer is B. The average speed for bullock cart may be taken as 3.20 km 2 units per hour and 3/4 hour may be allowed for loading and unloading. Taking 8 hours working per day, the number of trips per day can be calculated. So correct answer is B. Here this video is finished. I hope this video will be helpful for your exam. For more updates, subscribe to my channel and don't forget to share this video with your friends. Thank you so much.